Unpacking Storage Capacity, a comprehensive guide. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, storage capacity. Whether you're talking about your computer, your phone, or even your kitchen pantry, understanding this concept is crucial. So, let's dive in and make sense of what storage capacity really means in different contexts. In this section, we break down the phrase, storage capacity. Simply put, it refers to the maximum amount of something that can be held or contained. When we talk about storage, we're referring to a space or device for keeping things. Capacity, on the other hand, is about the size or volume, how much it can hold. Now, let's apply this concept to technology. When you hear about storage capacity in tech gadgets like smartphones, computers, or hard drives, it's all about how much digital information they can hold. This is usually measured in bytes, with common terms like megabytes, MB, gigabytes, GB, or terabytes, TB. The higher the number, the more photos, videos, documents, or apps the device can hold. Storage capacity isn't just a tech term. It's relevant in everyday life too. Consider your kitchen pantry. Its storage capacity is determined by how many cans, boxes, or bags of food it can hold. Or think about a water tank, where the storage capacity is the volume of water it can store. Recognizing this concept helps us plan and organize spaces effectively. Understanding storage capacity is essential for making informed decisions. For example, when buying a new phone or computer, knowing its storage capacity helps you decide if it can meet your needs. In other scenarios, like planning a pantry or designing a building, comprehending storage capacity ensures that the space meets the requirements for use. And there you have it. Whether in technology or our daily lives, storage capacity plays a pivotal role. It's all about understanding the limits of spaces and devices, which helps us make better choices and stay organized. Thanks for joining today, and I hope this video shed light on the versatile concept of storage capacity. Stay curious, and keep exploring.